In this video, we are going to show you how to add a favicon to your Emergent AI website that you are building. Now, as you can see here, once you have logged into your Emergent AI, and you just need to enter this prompt or something similar. So to begin, I'm going to say I want to add a favicon to my website. Please keep this project extremely simple and small, just a single page landing site so we don't overcomplicate this build. What is the task? So upload a link. I am attaching an image file, so insert whatever URL you have. Please set this as the browser favicon for the site. Simple header. Ensure the head section is updated with the correct link, right? Tag pointing to this asset. Minimalist content. The page should just have a centered H1 that says vibe check and a small paragraph of placeholder text, so on and so forth. Style, you guys just do whatever style you want for your website. And then lastly, this is one of the most important things, is don't build any extra pages or complex routing, just a tiny web setup that works instantly. Now, the reason why this is very important is because we want to save as much of our credits as possible. So as you can see here, we only have 10 for a trial. So once you've gone over your prompt, we just need to click send for Emergent to start setting things up. Now, we have here one of the most important things. So agent is asking a question. So it's going to ask you a few questions, and it's going to be multiple choice because it's going to give you options, right? So for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to go with use A for everything. There we go. And then click send. So it's going to use the A option for all of these questions. And now, as you can see here, let me create the simple landing page with the favicon linked and soft clay aesthetic. Now let me, as you can see here, let me take a screenshot. So the preview is going to be shown visually here. It's going to slide from the right. And this is pretty much what you're going to see, right? So perfect, the page is displaying beautifully with the soft clay aesthetic. So it's not going to start doing, pretty much we're midway. Because again, this is a simple prompt. This is a simple website, right? It's nothing complicated. And now it's in literally one of the last stages, which is testing, right? It says here, favicon file is downloaded. Now let me call the testing subagent to verify everything is working correctly. Now, this is the longest part of any endeavor in Emergent. It's going to test everything. And if it finds any errors, it's going to correct it, right? It's going to problem solve it. So we just need to wait for this to finish, and we're practically done. All right, we are now done. It says here, summary. Favicon integrated browser tab displays custom favicon from this, right? So next action item. So the good thing about Emergent, aside from finishing what you made it do, whatever project, it's gonna tell you you can do these other things, and you can actually enhance and improve your project, right? But if you don't like that, you can just click deploy here, and you're pretty much done. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.